Tattoos were very common more in the 17th century for the tribes of Virginia that we represent here at Williamsburg in the 18th century. As for your more independent nations closer to the Great Lakes, as well as the east of Mississippi, they will have more of that practice continuing.
Tattooing was known amongst the Anglos here in Virginia. Most of the time, if you are being identified as having a tattoo in the 18th century, you've somehow entered the official records. You have run away from a position, you have been arrested, something like that. So we're not entirely sure how common it was.
The tools that were used to make tattoos were specifically from animal bones, like deer or turkey, as well as fish teeth. As the European trade was happening, we were now using metal tools. And the ink that will be provided will be charcoal, gunpowder, red clay, or another mineral called cinnabar.
You're likely to find things like metal needles, possibly bone or wooden scratchers or little needles as well. And the ink that would have colored the tattoos was almost entirely going to be black work, as we would call it now, meaning there was probably a lot of gunpowder being rubbed into those designs after they'd been pricked onto your skin.
The common tattoos that were seen in the 18th century were geometric shapes, animals, and plant figures. And they were essentially located on the face, hands, legs, arms, pretty much anywhere.
Commonly we find the location for tattoos to be on the chest and on the arms, and oftentimes the motifs are going to be pretty similar to what we expect these days in the 21st century. You'll find hearts, you'll find initials, you'll find dates and years, also some religious depictions as well, things like crosses and crucifixes and angels.
These tattoos specifically can have many distinctions depending on the person who we're referring to. Distinctions could be simply military success, stages of life, achievements, warfare on the men's legs.
18th century Anglos oftentimes would be tattooed for potentially punitive reasons, to mark them as outcasts or outsiders amongst polite society, or amongst sailors who are also trying to mark themselves as outside the societal norms.